my son first time riding a 250. So I'm training him how to ride this 250. He just let it cut off. So what you want to do is cruise around the first gear, crank it back up. Hold it. Always remember, you'll never stop unless you press that in.
Okay.
You can't stop without it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Get a little gas. Get a little gas. Come out. Get a little gas. Oh, son.
God.
It's gonna cut off. You gotta give more gas.
I'm scared it's gonna launch.
It ain't gonna launch on you.
Marty think it will. That mean I think it will. Ooh, hit the.
Hold the clutch, Shamar. Keep your hand out to the clutch. If you don't, you're gonna have a wreck. You hold the clutch in and stop. Anytime you want to go on brakes, you gotta hold your clutch in. Oh, okay. Yeah. My son, 11 years old, on the XMOTOS 250cc. 11-year-old can ride it. Anybody can ride it. This is his first time, so right now he's just cruising around till he learn everything.